Welcome to our channel Ecom Global. Today we're talking about something most SaaS founders and marketers overlook: Snapchat ads. Even in 2025, Snapchat is one of the most underrated advertising platforms out there. While everyone is fighting over Meta ads and Google ads, Snapchat has quietly become a goldmine for certain businesses, especially SaaS and digital products. Now let's talk about the problem. Right now, most businesses don't even consider Snapchat ads. They think Snapchat is just for teenagers, sharing filters and stories. But here's the reality. Snapchat has over 400 million daily active users, and the majority are Gen Z and millennials. The very audience adopting new SaaS tools, apps, and services faster than any other generation. Ignoring Snapchat means ignoring a market that's ready to buy. So why is it still underrated in 2025? First, the competition is much lower. On Facebook and Google, ad costs are sky high because everyone is bidding. But on Snapchat, fewer businesses are running campaigns, which means cheaper clicks and impressions. Second, the ad format is native. People consume Snapchat ads as if they're just another story, so engagement rates are often higher. And third, Snapchat's targeting has improved massively. You can now target by interests, behaviors, lookalikes, and even retarget people who visited your website or app. Here's where most SaaS founders miss out. They're only focused on high-intent platforms like Google. Yes, Google is great for people already searching. But what about the ones who don't even know your SaaS exists yet? That's where Snapchat comes in. It creates demand at a fraction of the cost. Imagine showing your app or tool to 1 million potential users for the same budget you'd spend on just a few thousand clicks on Google Ads. That's the power of Snapchat in 2025. But here's the challenge. Snapchat requires a different strategy. You can't just copy-paste your Instagram ad and expect it to work. Snapchat creatives have to be fast-paced, vertical, and story-driven. The funnel has to be set up correctly, and the budget has to be managed so you're not wasting money. Most businesses skip Snapchat because they don't know how to run it properly, and that's exactly why it's still underrated. Now let's get to the solution. If you want to tap into Snapchat ads before your competitors, you need the right system. You need creatives designed for Snapchat's unique audience. You need targeting that matches the right age groups, behaviors, and interests. And you need retargeting campaigns to bring back those users who didn't sign up the first time. When you put this together, Snapchat ads can become one of your lowest cost sources of signups and customers in 2025. But, and I can't stress this enough, the setup has to be done right. And this is where we come in. Instead of wasting months experimenting and burning through your budget, just reach out to us directly on WhatsApp. We'll walk you through how to structure Snapchat ads specifically for your SaaS or business. Set up the right funnel and get real signups, not just empty clicks. Don't miss this opportunity. While everyone else is sleeping on Snapchat, you can be the one to dominate. So if you want to know how Snapchat ads can work for your business in 2025, click the WhatsApp link below right now and let's talk today. Thanks for watching, and remember, the fastest way to clarity and results is just one WhatsApp message away.